Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Nastrick. Today I am going to tell you 6 math riddles only the smartest can get the right. You might want to break our calculator because it take a genuine to solve this trick maths riddle. Okay friends, now we have first maths trick which is crazy 8s. Using only addition, add 8s to get the number 1000. Okay, now we have to solve this answer. Triple S plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So we get the answer is 1000. अगर हम इन सबको प्लस करेंगे तो इसका आंसर हमें 1000 मिलेगा. This is the kind of number riddle you can work out with times table or by simple logic. First get as close to 1000 as you can, triple it. From this it is easy to figure out the rest. So friends, ये रहा crazy 8s का question. Now we have moved to second question, which is farm life. Easy math riddles. So the question is, in reply to an inquiry about the animal on his farm, the farmer says the only ever keep sheep, goat and horses. In fact, at the moment they are all sheep bar 3, all 4 goats and all 4 horses bar 5. How many does we have to each animal? So the answer we have to solve this. The farmer has 3 sheep, 2 goat and 1 horse. फार्मर के पास 3 sheep, 2 goat और एक horse है. So you can solve this maths easily. Okay friends, riddle with a quick hypothetical. Take sheep. We know that there are 3 animal. हमें पता है कि हमारे पास 3 animal है, that are goats and horses. So we suppose there are 2 goat. अगर हमने suppose किया हमारे पास 2 goat है और एक horse है. चेकिंग दिस हाइपोथेसिस गिव अस 3 sheep. अगर हम उसे चेक करते तो हमें 3 sheep मिलती है. विच वर्ड आउट बिकॉज देयर आर 4 नॉन गोट्स, जिसमें से 4 गोट्स नहीं थी, 3 sheep थी एंड 1 horse था. नाउ दैट यू नो द आंसर. ओके फ्रेंड्स, टू दिस वन ट्राई दिस अदर एनिमल्स रिडल्स क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी हैव टू मूव आवर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. Easy math riddle age gap. So this is age gap question, which is one of the most important question. Every year this question is asked. One brother says of his younger brother, 2 years ago I was 3 times as old as my brother was. In 3 years times I will be twice as old as my brother. How old are they each now? Okay, now the answer is, one way to solve this maths riddle is to use even number. The older brother will be twice as old as his younger brother in the 3 years times. This is immediately rule out the older brother currently being 8, 11 and 14. Okay, so he might be 17. वो 17 का होगा and the younger brother 7. तो younger brother जो होगा वो 17 का होगा. 2 year old 2 साल बाद देयर आर 15 एंड 5 रिस्पेक्टिवली. अब 2 साल बाद वो 15 और 5 के हो जाएंगे एंड इन द 3 years टाइम दे विल बी 20 एंड 10 और 3 years के बाद 20 एंड 10. तो ये रहा हमारा एज गैप का क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी हैव टू मूव आवर फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, which is based on the frequency. Easy math riddles. So the question are, what single digit appear most frequently between and including the number 1 and 1000? We have given the hint, look for a pattern. We have given in the question pattern. So we have to solve this question. Answer, the most important digit is 1. Did you figure out why? सबसे important digit है 1. तो हमें आपको बताती हूँ 1 कैसा. Every number 1 to 9 appear exactly the same number of time in every 10 number. but because we include the number 1000, there an extra occurrence of number 1. Okay, in total the number 1 appears 301 times and every other number appears 300 times. I hope you get my point, friends. Now move to next question, which is based on egg equation. Maths riddle. If a hen and a half lay an egg and a half in a day and a half, आधे दिन में आधा, how many eggs will a half a dozen hen lay in half a dozen day? आधे दिन में कितने देंगी? तो हम इसका आंसर सॉल्व करते हैं. 2 dozen. इफ यू इंक्रीज बोथ द नंबर ऑफ hen, अगर हम hen का नंबर बढ़ा देते हैं, द अमाउंट ऑफ टोटल अवेलेबल 4-fold. 1.5 टाइम 4 = 6. कितना होगा? 4 = 6 इज 24. द नंबर ऑफ एग इंक्रीज 60 टाइम, तो नंबर ऑफ एग जो होगा वो 16 टाइम इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? इट्स 24. नाउ वी हैव टू मूव ऑन लास्ट क्वेश्चन, which is hard math riddle, house number. So the question are, my twins live at the reverse of my house number. The difference between our house number and in 2. What are the lowest possible number of our house number? So we have to solve this answer. हमें क्वेश्चन में नंबर्स गिवन है, तो इसे हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? दिस मैथ्स रिडल आरंट इजी टू सॉल्व. इसमें बताया गया है कि मैथ्स रिडल जो क्वेश्चन है वो इतना इजी नहीं है सॉल्व करना, बट द लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर ऑफ दिस हाउस आर 19 and 91, जो हमें गिवन है 19 and 91. द डिफरेंस इज 72, जो जिसका दोनों का डिफरेंस अगर माइनस करते हैं तो 72 है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, आई होप आप लोगों को टॉप 6 मैथ्स रिडल समझ आए होंगे. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं, और जिसने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें. थैंक यू.